Is your 2022 Chevy Trailblazer key fob not working? Don't panic. Common issues are usually easy to fix. The most common culprits are a dead battery, a lost connection requiring a relearn, or a receiver module glitch. First, replace the CR032 battery. Pry open the fob carefully, swap the battery ensuring correct orientation, and test. If that doesn't work, the fob may need to be relearned to your vehicle. This can often be done through the infotainment system, eliminating the need for special tools. If issues persist, the vehicle's receiver module may need a reset, a process best handled by a dealer. Let's start with the battery replacement. The key fob uses a CR2032 lithium battery, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years. A replacement costs around $5 to $10 and is available online or at most stores. If the battery doesn't fix it, try the relearn procedure. Sit in your Trailblazer with all doors closed. Access the relearn option through your infotainment system menu. Follow the on-screen prompts, which usually involve pressing the lock button on the fob while the system is in relearn mode. If the relearn fails, the issue might be with the receiver module. Visit a dealer for a reset guided by GM service bulletins. This often fixes software glitches. However, hardware failures could require BCM replacement, costing $200 to $500. Remember, GM offers extended warranties on key fobs for 2022 Trailblazers through 2026. If you can't do it yourself, check if it's covered to save on repair costs.